Hi guys, I'm Philip. So today I'm gonna teach you how to move texture in ceiling modular or move this texture in ceiling modular. Very simple. So you may click inside first, okay? Click inside. Okay, let's say I drag a texture here. Okay, a texture. Let's say I drag some texture here. I drag this one. Okay. As you can see, this one you can move lah. Okay, this one always a bit. Okay, I drag this one. Okay, you see. So if I want to move it, just click on it, material. So you can change the size. Okay, let's say I change the size. Lock it 1000. Okay. Then if I want to move it, I just move here. You can move it. See. Okay. You can adjust the texture. Okay. Adjust the texture as you want. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.